Alright guys, this is the tubular lock or barrel lock. Is being used on some safes and Harley Davidson bikes. I'm gonna pick this one right now with this tool. This is the ace pick tool. You have to release all the nuts here, and then what I do is I align this one towards, let's see, where is it? Here it is. Okay, there it is. So what I do, you see how they pop out? What I do with the pen, I'm going to use this pen, and is the kind of rubber pen here. What I do, I tap the top part, putting pressure in the bottom here. There's picked, and then what I do, I tied all of them. I got tied all the screws here. So I tied all the screws. Make sure all are tied before I turn the lock all the way. So now we have a lock picked. This is the easiest way to do it. I got this one set up already, which is holding the key shape. So what I'm gonna do, you see, how do I turn it so easy? Now it's in that direction. So we're gonna put this one back here, and I'm gonna put it in this direction. Okay, so you see, and if you try, here's one key for the lock, but it's not turning. So this is the right pattern for this one. And what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna cut the key, which is it looks like a barrel key, like this key. Use a special tool device to cut it. Thank you for watching. And this is Express Lockouts, a locksmith in Tucson, Arizona. If you need these services in Tucson, not out of state services, please don't call when I'm knocked out of my bed. Thank you for watching, and my phone number is 520-331-6299. 520-331-6299. Thanks.